Okay, start. Now sing again.
Happy birthday to Amy. Happy birthday to Amy.
Sing it again.
Happy birthday to Amy. Happy birthday to Amy. Happy birthday to Amy. Happy birthday to Amy.
Tell her how much you love her and miss her.
I miss you.
And I love you.
I love you.
And what are you doing right now?
Seeing my pictures.
Yeah.
Look at my pictures.
And what are we about to go do on Emily's birthday? What are we going to go do? We're going to go to the park, right?
Yeah.
And who are you going to see at the park?
Hi.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Emily. We love you and we miss you. Blow her a kiss.